Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing my March Boxycharm product review. Now, I have unboxed this on my channel and I will link that down below, and it's been about 2 weeks now that I've been playing with these products and I do already have my feelings on them. It was kind of a hit and miss with me. I have 3 that I really liked and then 2 that I did not like so much, so I'm just going to stagger them: good, bad, good, bad, good, bad, good, bad, good, and then we're gonna, just get into why I didn't like these products or vice versa and if they were worth the price. So let's just get into this. The first product I want to talk about is this Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush blush in the shade Hush Blush. This is the cutest packaging I've ever seen. Let me just, it's like a little picture frame and the blush is right in here. I don't like that it doesn't have a mirror, but that's okay because I always apply my makeup with a mirror in front of me, one from Amazon. And I love this color. I think it's just a really, really nice pink, and I know it looks kind of harsher in the pan and on camera, but in reality, like on my face, it looks very nice and just gives it a flush to my cheeks. It looks very natural. It stays on all day, and I really didn't think I was going to like this, but I really, really do. It's probably one of my favorite blushes that I've ever tried. This retails for $26 though, and I can't get over the price tag with this. I love the blush, don't get me wrong, but I don't know if it's worth the price because I can get an Essence blush for $3 that works, I think, as well as this. So that's just a price thing, but the actual product, if you have or if you're going to pick up this Pretty Vulgar blush, I think it is really, really, really very nice, and I was very impressed with this. Alright, let's talk about something I was not that impressed with, and it's this Butter London Double Decker Mascara. So I really had high hopes for this because first of all, it's a huge bottle, and I was like, this is gonna be great, like I'll get to use it for months. And the wand is kind of interesting. It's a little skinnier than the Monsieur Big by Lancome, but it's got the same basic wandish. It's like a classic wand. I mean, I had high hopes for this, but I don't like this. Now this retails for $20, which isn't a bad price point on a mascara, but it clumps my lashes together so badly, and I just don't like it. This just clumped my lashes together. They flaked off during the day, and they really didn't give me the volume that I wanted and I need in a mascara. And even though I have pretty nice long eyelashes, this made them look short and stubby, so I'm definitely not into that. I like that we were able to try this, but I definitely would pass on this mascara and maybe pick up something from Essence instead. Okay, another product that I really, really liked are these under eye gels from South Main. I've only used 1 out of the 3, but oh my god, did my eyes feel so hydrated and nourished after these. You have to put these on for 30 minutes, and they do kind of slip a little bit down the eye, so I just kind of laid on my bed and watched TV for 30 minutes, and I just made sure that they were secure under my eyes and all of that, and they really made a difference. I felt them tingle and have a little cooling sensation throughout the 30 minutes. I took them off and my under eyes looked so refreshed. I have some pretty bad lines or fine lines or wrinkles or whatever the hell they are, and I really think that this softened them a little bit. I really, really like this, and I love that we got 3 eye gels for the one price. This said that it was $10, so $10 for 3 eye gels is a really, really great price point. I really liked this. They didn't smell. I have really bad problems with things that smell. I hate a lot of masks because the smells irritate me, but I really, really loved this product. Alright, onto a product I did not like, and I really wanted so much to like this. This was the big thing we got in our boxes, the Pure Cosmetics and Boxycharm palette. It has a mirror, so I'm just going to turn it this way. It looks like this. My issue with this is they are very chalky, and I don't think they're pigmented enough. I actually tried to film a Boxycharm mini Instagram tutorial, and I used this palette, and I just found that, first of all, there are only 4 matte shades in here, and even this matte shade Duet has some shimmer in it. So, oh no, there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, there's technically 4 matte shades, and then one with a little bit of shimmer. These two, both the black and the dark brown, have some little glitters in them. And these 2 shades here, which are the transition shades, I assume, they look too similar on the eyes. It doesn't look like you're building up a different pigment or a different eyeshadow. It really just looks like one color. So then the only logical step you have to go to deepen up your outer corner and your crease is this one here, which this one I have no qualms with. This is a pretty nice shade, but you already start with a very intense eye. Not everyone wants an intense purple eye. If I wanted to do this, I would love to just stick with these 3 shades, but I find that I don't get enough deepening. There's not enough color choice in here for them. And then when it comes to the shimmer shades, I feel they are just chalky, really chalky. And this one in particular, I even used a setting spray on my brush. I wet it, I applied it, and it was like only where the brush first touched my eye was where the shadow stuck. The rest of it just crumbled off, and it didn't even look shimmery on the rest of the eye. It was literally just the one part where I first touched my brush and then moved on. So that's just like really weird. I don't think that the blue is as pigmented as it looks. I love the idea of a palette from these two. I love Boxycharm. I like Pure Cosmetics, but I just think this was a kind of a miss. It was not as pigmented as I wanted it to be. The shadows were chalky. There wasn't enough selection. It's a very beachy palette, but it just was not one that I liked, and it's definitely one that I would not recommend picking up. This I think retails, yeah, for $36, and I don't really think it's worth it. I don't know about the other Pure Cosmetics eyeshadows. I did have another palette from them that I just didn't like. I just don't think I like the formulation of their shadows, and it's something against the brand, so I think I would pass on this one. And the last thing that I really, really loved, and I think this is the standout product in the box, were the Vintage Cosmetic brand eye brushes. And they came with 3 brushes. There was one that's a smudger brush, one that's a packing brush, and one that's kind of like an angled crease brush. These are the softest things I have ever put on my eyes. I love affordable brushes, so I use a lot of the Wet n Wild brushes, a lot of the Royal & Langnickel Motor brushes. I like finding affordable brushes. I use Essence brushes. I just think it's awesome. And this whole trio was $21.15, which I think is actually a pretty good price. And these just are so, so soft. The packing brush really packs the eyeshadow onto my eyes so nicely, and it does pick up a lot of product, so you don't have to like dig your brush in multiple times to get the amount of pigment that you want, and I really, really, really like that. The angled brush I didn't think I was gonna like. I really didn't, because I'm not one for the angled brushes, but it is perfect for deepening up the crease. It just looks so nice. They're all so incredibly soft, and the smudger brush is just perfect for the lower lash line, and I love brushes for the lower lash line or to smudge eyeliner on the top. I just think they're just a beautiful, beautiful brush combo, a brush packet. These were awesome. So out of all of it, I really only liked 3 products, so it wasn't bad. Boxycharm is great because you get to try new things from new brands that you wouldn't have tried before. So there are always some hits and there are always some misses, and it is nothing against any of the brands that I spoke about. It's just these were not standout products from them, I think, but I like the opportunity to try them, and that's why I love Boxycharm so much. So yeah, that completes this video. I will link Boxycharm's website down below because I still think there is no wait list, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in my next video.